Okay, here's a quick update on the machine vision sensor array for the robotics project. The assembly that you see here is going to live inside the plastic bell jar for protection, the jar that's next to it there. And this system, as you can see now, it's just doing a quick demo mode, and this is by no means finished. You can see we have two micro servos here that control the pan and the tilt. This is being run by the Tiny Circuits Robot Zero processor that you see back here. This has built-in a motor and servo control. Additionally, it has that 9-axis IMU, and that's going to come into play for the base that all of this mounts on, because this will be stabilized as the robot base turns. We're going to hold this platform stable. So this platform will be able to pan and tilt as you see it moving now, and then the base that it stands on, that attaches it to the robot, that will be stabilized by the 9-axis IMU. So some prototyping, some finished product, certainly more refinement that can be done here. But what you're seeing is you have the two open MV cameras, and again, one of these will be converted to FLIR Lepton. I just haven't put that module on yet. I've also incorporated, there's a 5 milliwatt green laser, as well as a high power LED spotlight. I also left plenty of room there for 6 3mm LEDs for status indicators. I think I have maybe red, green, blue. I'll probably incorporate those as some kind of status check that you'll see when the thing is completely built.